Hi, this is Jose Fernandez from Joe's Kitchen and Cocktail Recipes, and today I will show you how to make the Goan Beef Rolls. I have taken around 8 pieces of thin slices of beef which I will beat with a hammer. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of Recheado Masala. The Recheado Masala recipe you can find in the description box. Mix everything well and keep it aside for at least half an hour. For the beef roll stuffing, here I have taken some Goan sausages which are finely chopped, some carrot, some capsicum, some potato cut into long strips like this. Place few sausages, one piece of carrot, one piece of potato, one piece of capsicum, and roll it tightly like this. And insert a toothpick in the end and seal it like this. Repeat the same process with the remaining ones. Let's begin with the cooking process. In a cooking pot, add oil. Add 3 finely chopped onions. Saute for 2-3 minutes. Add salt as per your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of Recheado Masala. Give it a mix. Add 1/3 cup of water. Mix well. Add all those stuffed beef rolls. Cover and cook for 5 minutes or till they are done. Our Goan beef rolls are ready to serve.